Hello students and welcome to today's session. In this lecture we are going to learn about cutting tools including hacksaws, snips and chisels and understand how these tools remove material by applying force. Let us begin with the basics. Cutting tools are used to remove materials or separate a physical object into two portions by applying force. During this process, the mode of deformation is shear deformation, where the material shears off due to the cutting action. We classify cutting tools into two major types, single point tools and multi-point tools. Single point tools, which have a single cutting edge, these are used in turning, shaping and planing operation. Multi-point tools, which have more than one cutting edge, these are used in milling and drilling operations. Now let's talk about one of the most common cutting tools, the hacksaw. A hacksaw is a sharp-toothed object tool which is used to cut wood, plastic or metal sheets and sections. It is also used to cut slots and contours. A hacksaw consists of a metallic frame and a disposable blade, which is fixed under tension. The hacksaw frame has pins at both ends to fix the blade. It also has a screw-type mechanism that tightens the thin blade properly and keep it under tension during cutting. There are two main types of hacksaw frames, adjustable, bolt or solid frame. Adjustable frame, it allows the length of the frame to be adjusted. This is done by adjusting screw and sliding slots. Therefore, different standard blades length can be fitted. Bolt or solid frame, the frame length is fixed, only the standard size of blade can be fixed. A hacksaw blade is a thin, narrow steel band with teeth and two pins holes for mounting. These blades are made of low alloy steel or high speed steel and available in standard lengths such as 9842.5 millimeters or 11811 millimeters. The teeth of the blade are staggered alternately, which makes the cut broader than the blade thickness. This is important because it prevents the blade from binding inside the workpiece. The blade can be fixed in two directions, teeth facing forward for cutting on the push stroke, teeth facing backward for cutting on the pull stroke. Hacksaws are very common in industries and everyday life because they are simple, effective and easy to handle. Next, let us move to snips, another important cutting tool. A snip is used for cutting thin metal sheets and metallic wires. A snip consists of long handles and small blades designed to cut with high precision. There are two major types of snips, straight snip, bend or curved snip. Straight snip has straight blades used for straight cut and for external curved cuts. Bend or curved snip has curved blades used for internal curves and trimming cylinder. There are also compound action snips which uses a compound leverage system to increase mechanical advantage and reduce effort while cutting. Snips are widely used for sheet metal cutting, wire cutting and shaping metallic sheets inside workshop floors. Here I am adding a small clip related to snip. Have a look.
In this media, you are going to learn about snips and their types. Snip is a cutting tool used for cutting thin sheets of metal and metallic wires. It consists of long handles and small blades. There are two types of snips, namely straight snip and bent snip. Straight snips have straight blades for cutting thin sheets along a straight line. They can also be used for external curved cuts. The other type of snip is bent snip, also known as curved snip. Bent snips will have curved shaped blades. These are used to cut metal sheets and wires to a required shape and length. You have learnt about the snips and their types.
Now let's discuss chisel, another essential cutting tool. A chisel has a sharp edged blade at one end and is used to cut heavy metals that cannot be cut using hacksaw or snips. Chisels are made from high carbon tool steel and go through a process involving heating, hammering, grinding, hardening, tempering, and sharpening. A chisel is forced into the material using a driving force. This force can be manual hammering in small scale industries, hydraulic rams, or falling weights in large scale industries for faster operation. Chisels are broadly classified into hot chisels, cold chisels. Chisels are extremely important because they can cut metals that are too strong for saws or snip, and some chisels are also used for woodworking applications. Let's watch a small clip related to chisel. After that, we will end this session.
In this media, you are going to learn about the various types of chisels and the precautions to be taken. The types of chisels are flat chisel, cross-cut chisel, half-round nose chisel, and diamond point chisel. Flat chisel consists of a broad cutting edge. The corners should be slightly rounded to reduce their tendency to dig in. This chisel can be used for works like cutting off rods and cutting out sheet metal. The cross-cut chisel is used for cutting grooves. Its cutting edge is slightly wider than the body. This prevents the binding of chisel into the deep grooves while cutting. A half-round chisel is used for doing special works such as forming flutes and channels. In a diamond-pointed chisel, the body of the chisel is drawn down to a square section at the end, and then it is ground away to a single bevel. It is used for cleaning out the square internal angles and squaring the material corners. General safety precautions. Select the right tool for the job. For example, wood chisels are not designed for use on metal surfaces and will easily break. The cutting surface of a chisel should be sharp without any gouges or indentations. Be sure the chisel has no mushroomed edges and dress down any mushroomed heads on it. Use a hammer that is heavy enough for the task being performed. A small hammer with a big chisel will make the job very difficult. Maintain a good grip and keep your eyes focused. Be sure you have obtained all necessary PPE, personal protective equipment, to carry out the task safely. Ensure all equipments are stored correctly when not in use. Thus, you have learned about the various types of chisels and the precautions to be taken.
So, in today's session, we learned that cutting tools play a central role in workshop operations, and we studied what cutting tools are, their classification, the construction and working of hacksaws, types of snips and their application, importance of chisels and their use in cutting heavy metals. Understanding these tools is essential for safe and effective workshop practice. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you once again.